So first of all, we made new arm pin holders. The previous one were in plastic and a bit long. What happened is basically if an operator grabbed from below here and pulled the arms out, the plastic one would snap. So we made these in stainless steel instead, and we made them a little bit shorter. And to install them, simply take a plier, twist off the plastic, like so. You can take hex key number 3 and make sure these grub screws are tight all the way down. You can apply a little bit of Loctite, like 243 on the thread here, and then simply take the stainless steel one, replace it, make it tight. You can take a plier with a little bit of tape on so you don't scratch the stainless steel. So make it sure nice and tight, and then last you take the rubber disc and you simply press it on and you're good to go. Okay.